today I did what I quite often say you shouldn't do, is drive through perfect conditions to get to where you want to shoot. But as it's bluebells, it's today or never. The weather forecast for the rest of this week is looking pretty awful. But I'm here in the Bluebell Woods, and as you can see, there's quite a good showing. Conditions are pretty good actually. There's a bit of mist in the woods, so just waiting for the sun to come up through or above the trees, and hopefully we should get some nice light in here as well. I'm quite excited about this. This is pretty good. There's not a huge amount of bluebells in this bit, but this light and the mist is so good that I'm just going to shoot these conditions anyway. There's enough bluebells there to let you know that it's in the Bluebell Woods, but the sun's just coming through. I'm hidden behind a tree at the moment. And then the screen goes off just at the wrong moment. So we got the light on the right hand side of the image, we got a beautiful fresh beech branch on the left hand side, so should balance itself out. I might just twist that round a little bit. Focusing on the first tree. F11, half a second, ISO 100. Nice and sharp. Okay. Alright, if I just crop that in a bit tighter. Again, I'll focus on this first tree. Cool. This is getting pretty good now. Still a good amount of mist there, certainly enough when you're shooting towards the sun anyway. We've got bluebells. I've got a composition lined up like this. So we've got the sun and the glow on the mist. We've got the lines of the trees highlighting the top of the bluebells. And we've got some nice bold trees either side, just giving a bit of balance to that image. So I'm going to focus on the beech leaves at the top there. And take that shot. Yes, I like that. Right, so that's the end of that. The light was pretty good. Bluebells are good. There's still probably another couple of weeks left in these. But this area of the woods, they're pretty late flowering. So if the conditions are good in a week or so, then I'll be back here trying to improve on what I got today. But I'm pretty pleased with what I got. Tell you what though, I am absolutely knackered. A few days of hunting for the right conditions for the bluebells is quite hard. But I'm pleased. I'm pleased that we got something that was worth getting out of bed at 4 o'clock in the morning. As you can see, the light's pretty much gone now. Well, the mist is gone anyway. So it's a little bit harsh. But shooting towards the sun, it's still pretty good, but I'm happy with what I've got so far. So I'll probably call it a day at this point and head back to the car and have a drink.